So you guys, first of all, sorry for starting off the vlog like this, but I had already filmed this video and some of the gifts have just arrived right now from some of my subscribers who never made it to the party, but they really wanted to give me something. So these are the two gifts I have just gotten right now. I want to unbox them real quick before we dive into the actual video. Guys, first off, this is the first gift. Thank you very much, Mrs. Farida, for sending me this. I appreciate you a lot from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for thinking about me, watching my content, always supporting and all that other good stuff. So I want to unbox this real quick so that you guys, you can also testify what's inside here. Yes, so let us see what's actually inside here. You guys, okay, actually it's a bottle, of course. Yes, it's a bottle over here. And initially when I looked at the box, I thought something else is inside, but actually it's the bottle over here. Thank you very much, Mrs. Farida, for sending me this. I appreciate you a lot. You guys, this is how actually it does look. I'm gagging for the moment. It's a plastic, I think, a bottle plastic, you know. I'm gonna open it for you guys to see. It has a mesh here and inside over there. Thank you very much, brand new Mrs. Farida, for sending me this. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. You guys, this is the second gift over here. Actually, this is from Mrs. Nansereko. She happens to be my amazing mother. I call her my angel, my support system and everything. Thank you for sending this. Thank you for always motivating me. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for all the support you give to me. You know, I appreciate you a lot. So let's open up this, guys, and we'll see what we have in here. So guys, we have, I think, let me first confirm before I say that I have an electronic iron box. Actually, it is an electronic one. Thank you very much. This is how actually it does look over here. Brand new, as you see. Thank you very much. I appreciate you a lot. May the Almighty bless you. And I'm happy that as time go by and I want to get a house and all that, by the time I do that, I think I'll be having all the things I do require. Thank you very much. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. So you guys, actually just dive into the original video that I had already finished filming before these gifts arrived, after I had finished editing. Yes. So hi honeys, how are you? Tanya Shylock here, and of course welcome back to my channel. You guys, today, as you have seen from the thumbnail to the title of the video, I'm going to be unboxing my gifts that I did get from some of my subscribers and my relatives and my friends, my parents, from the party they did organize last I don't know when this video is going up, but they did organize it throughout the month of February, and I want to be unboxing my gifts today. By the way, if this is your first time watching my face over here, hi there, I'm Tanya Shylock. Please do consider subscribing and turning on that notification bell, okay? Okay, first of all, I want to say a very big thank you to every person who did put in his time or her time to plan this surprise YouTube party for me. I always wonder, who am I, you know? Who am I, Nzani, you know? But I'm very happy. I don't want this video to be very long, but I want to take this opportunity to thank everyone, my sisters, my subscribers, people I know, people I don't know. Guys, even at the ceremony, you know, there were people, my subscribers, who even I have never seen, but they made it, you know, come to place. They surprised me. In the morning, they told me to go to my sister's place because my mother told me that she was sick. So as soon as I left home, they started preparing and all that, and it, you know, by now, if you have seen the vlog, I know you have been able, of course, to see and judge that these people truly do love me. So I have my glasses on, and I have a bottle of water here, by the way, brand new, sealed. By the way, my sister on Instagram, Miss Nella, hopefully I'll leave it on the screen. She's one person that I look up to, especially when it comes to exercises. You know, I always talk to her and she gives me advice, especially to boost my physicals and water intake and all that good stuff. Okay. So you guys, all tea aside, yes, these are the different gifts. I have one big one, as you see, some small ones, a flower over here, and some envelopes. Yes, envelopes, they carry money. I hope so. So I'm also going to be opening this, and we count the total amount of money in here, and hopefully, yes. Can we start from the big one, the small one? Where can we start? Hopefully, let us start from the small one, guys. Yes. This one is from every person who gave me the gifts. By the way, I'm gonna address them as my brothers and my sisters. So this one was from Brother Ryan. Brother Ryan, thank you very much for this amazing gift. Let us open and we see what you did send to your brother over here. I'm excited. Let us see what you sent. Oh, wow. You guys, I have a brand new watch. Brand new watch over here. This is how actually it does look. Yes, it's a brand new watch. Thank you very much, Brother Ryan, for sending me this. I will appreciate you, by the way, in person. Yes. So let us go to the second gift. This one is from Nasu Nashamira. Yes, Nasu Nashamira. Thank you very much, Sister Nasu Nashamira, for coming to the ceremony and organizing the ceremony and giving me this amazing gift over here. Open and see. Oh, a brand new cup. Okay, yes, thank you very much. I appreciate all your love a lot. It's a brand new cup over here. I have a lot of cups, but this one is an advent, you see. Thank you very much. The third one, let us open this. Okay, let's first of all open this one first, the blue one. This one is from Sister Sanyu, yes, and she's also my relative. Thank you very much for organizing the ceremony behind my back and giving me a gift. I appreciate you a lot. Yes, I don't know, by the way, how to open very well gifts, so I'll just jump through everything. Yes, just jump through everything. Oh, I love the box, by the way, guys. Can you see the box? Let's see what she sent in. Oh, you guys, other cups. Oh, I'm dying. I'm dying. You guys, another cup. Yes. Thank you very much, Sister Sanyu. I appreciate you a lot. And a bowel. Yes. Thank you very much. And a bowel over here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. May the Almighty bless you. By the way, guys, I'm putting them down here. Okay. So, you guys, the next gift, this one was from Sister, I think, Shadia. Yes, I think you already see her in my vlog, She was also in the conspiracy of organizing the party. Let's open this and you can see what she sent in. Oh, a brand new belt. Thank you very much. Guys, I have also a brand new belt over here. Thank you very much. And I love the black. Can you see the black? How stylish is it? Thank you very much. Let us open this and we see what we have over here. Let's open this and we see what we have. Oh, a glass, a plastic glass. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And I love also the fact that it is blue and it has this amazing color over there. You guys, are you able to see this? I don't know if the lighting is so much, but it's just a glass, as you see. The next gift. Let's do the unwrapping of the gift. Oh, by the way, this one was from who? I'm not sure. Maybe when I get the name, I'll put it on the screen. It doesn't have any name. Oh, you guys, finally I have a mail wallet. Finally I have a wallet for men. Yes. thank you very much. Thank you very much. Currently, I don't know the person who gave me this, but I'll put a name on the screen. Okay. Thank you very much. This is how it does look. It is brown. Brown is also one of my favorite colors. And this is how actually it does look on the inside. Yes. Thank you very much. Okay, so you guys, finally we come to the last gift over here. Yes, I want to really find out what's inside here because I'm very curious of big things, you know. Let's open this. It was very well packaged, my god. Okay, let me just have another sip of water because okay, so you guys, this is the gift in the big box over here. Where can we put this? Excuse us. So this is the gift in the big box over here. Ooh, you guys, I have a new duvet. My god, thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys. All the love and support. Oh my god, I cannot believe that currently I have a new duvet. Yes, finally it is happening. I have a new duvet. Yes, thank you very much, you guys, for the love and support. I love this very much. Currently I was trying to to ask or find out the costs of new duvets and all that, but this one, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I appreciate it a lot, like a lot. You guys, this is actually how it does look over here. Hopefully I'll do a very big showcase when I at the right time within the vlogs, but this is actually how it does look. Thank you very much, you guys, for the love and support. Thank you. I appreciate you a lot. Yes, I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. I'm already very appreciative of everything you have sent in to me, to every person, of course, who did come to the ceremony. I appreciate you a lot and a lot. But right now, I also want to be unboxing the letters over here that they did send to me. Yes, of course. Let me first put on my glasses on. So you guys, these are all the envelopes that I got over here. We are going to be unboxing money right now. Okay, so thank you very much, sister Sharifa. She says that success in all your YouTube forever, soon gonna be noticed. Thank you very much. So how much did she put inside here? We have 10,000 Ugandan shillings. Thank you very much, I appreciate you a lot. Yes. The second one, some of them, by the way, they don't have names on top of them. The second one is from Mami Moses. I think I know this one. Thank you very much for also coming and putting for us a token in here. She did put for us 4,000 Ugandan shillings, 2,000. I also appreciate you a lot and a lot. All this money will help me, of course, throughout the course of everything. Yes, and the third one is from Barbara and Alafat. Thank you very much for also sending me this token over here. It's 20,000 Ugandan shillings. Thank you very much. 20,000 Ugandan shillings, you guys. Hopefully I'll put the money clear for you guys to see. Yes, do we have anything in here? No. And the third one, yes, the third one is from Sophie and Muko. Thank you very much for also coming and creating this conspiracy without me knowing, Sophie. Yes. So let us open this. She says that a success in all of your, I think, success in all. Tanya, my dear brother, thank you very much, sister. So 20,000 Ugandan shillings. Thank you very much. 20,000 Ugandan shillings. 10. Thank you. I appreciate you a lot. Okay, so you guys, the last envelope had one of which had 4,000 Ugandan shillings over here in Kuminya, and the other one had 5,000 Ugandan shillings over here. Thank you very much, guys, for sending in this. But the problem is, on the envelopes on top, you never wrote there your names or where it came from. But I'll try to ask my sisters who are receiving all these different gifts and envelopes in my position. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I appreciate you a lot. May the Almighty, all of you guys, bless you a lot. And I'm very happy. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. I have broke down a billion times. I have cried. I have got very jolly. Yes, so you guys have just bought you a little bit nearer. I want to show you all the money I have been talking about, of course, from the start to now. It's over here. You see, I have 10,000, 10,000, 20,000, 2,000, also 2,000, 1,000, 1,000. Thank you very much. Thank you to the moon and back. It is 63,000 Ugandan shillings. I appreciate you a lot. Currently, I'm saving up for something. This money is going to help me be able to obtain it with time. I appreciate you very much. May the Almighty God bless you. I pray for your success, for your health, for all what you think of in this world. You will get it in the mighty name of God. I thank you very much. I cannot stop saying the word thank you because I don't know what to say, guys. And it's crazy to me sometimes that even before I'm earning money from Google AdSense or monetization, I'm always getting money to support my channel. I don't lack data. People are always saying, Tanya, let me help you with this. Upload videos, maybe create more content. Don't lose the energy to create content. Time is coming for everything to shine. I'm always listening to your messages, going through all your messages and rereading them whenever I feel like I'm not myself. I appreciate you a lot. By the way, talking about monetization, we are remaining with about 1,000 watch hours. If you have some data, please go over there in the playlists. I'm also gonna be leaving some links in the description box below for the playlists. Play the videos so that our watch time gets there before June, so that we are monetized. I appreciate all your love and support, and of course this party meant a lot to me. Like, it meant volumes to me, it meant bunches to me, and people who were around, I think they would see it in my face that I was very happy. I don't know what to say, but thank you very much for every person. I'm not only talking about people who are here on the party, but all those people who take time out of their day to see that they check on me, check on my videos, push my videos. YouTube here in Uganda and particularly East Africa, it's something new. A lot of people don't know about it, and pushing this content solely, or you as a person, it's very hard. But whenever I remember that I have people who I have to deliver to content because they love it, because they want to see it, I'm always at the go. Thank you very much. Thank you. Let me meet you in the next video. Tanya and Shiloh switching out. Bye for now.